in this video, we want our enemy to go back from where we pulled him from instead of going to the spawn point. So he turns back to this place, but still have a spawn point. So first, let's go into the scripts, the AI and the AI mover. And in here, in the AI mover, we're gonna add a way to store the starting position of the enemy. So say vector 3, my position guard. And very later in this series, I will explain why we call it guard, but for now, let's just do this. And we say my position guard is equal to transform dot position. And then we're gonna make a not really moving stop chase. So here we're gonna make an if statement if AI control dot yeah, we're gonna make something here actually. So let's go into the AI controller, and from there we're gonna add a bool, and here we're gonna say patrolling behavior like that, and we're gonna add a bool that will check if we are going to spawn point or going to our guarding point. So public bool going to guard point equals false, actually equals true. We want it as standard to true, and then we're gonna say down here that if this isn't to return, range attack, chase here. So if let's see if what did we call it now? I forgot already. Actually, we just gonna hold it there and go in here. That was what I wanted. That guard going to guard point equals to true. Then we're gonna do something else. If AI control dot going to guard equals to false, then we are going back to the spawn point. So now we have a way to go to the spawn point and a way to go to our guarding point when we write get component nav mesh agent does destination. I forgot these destination equal to my guard position. I spelled this wrong, so rename guard. Then, so we can make a spawn point and tell them to go there, or we have a way to say if you like a guard, you can go back to that first place. So let's look at that. So let's just take this monster, and you will realize later what that monster is for, but it's coming. See. Okay, so actually, let's just show it on the goblin. So spawn point, and let's see, AI controller going to guard. Okay, great. So instead of, let's take the other one actually. So instead of going over here, which is the spawn point for goblins, there is the spawn point there. Let's put the spawn point over here. So instead of doing that, it will return to that place. So let's see. So we go over to this guy and say, yo, let me run away. And then he returned back to the place where he got pulled from. So we want that instead. If we do like this, he will go over to this place instead. So that, and then we go back. There we go. It goes over there.